Next is the industrial solution business among the business areas of IEG. IEG seeks to change the manufacturing environment not only through technical education, but also through the development of special types of automation equipment required in the manufacturing environment. The world's first roll stacker is a device that prints and attaches labels according to the production plan in conjunction with MES, and it helps to increase productivity and improve quality by printing and attaching labels in real time without replacing label paper by lot. In addition, Korea's first digital door lock inspection equipment implements 24 types of inspection items with a 12-axis servo motor application and control system, and the quality inspection results are displayed on a monitor with the MES linked inspection data storage and analysis function so that managers can check them directly. Recently, in order to increase the safety and efficiency of workers, machine tanning is being activated to supply materials to processing machines such as machining centers and CNC lathes using collaborative robots. We have developed a machine tending system that automatically supplies materials to machine tools, which is a 3D industry, and applied it to the field to increase worker safety and productivity.